everyone. We are group number 11. The name of my group members are Vaibhavi, Ekta, Shreya, Utkarsha, Vaibhavi, Shushmita, and me myself Tessie. Let me introduce you to the whole and soul of Goa, that is, fishing, an important occupation of Goa. After liberation, Karvis had migrated from Maharashtra to Goa and settled near the seaside as they had excellent knowledge of fishing. As we found that there are only few people in Goa who are engaged in such activities. There are 5 types of fishing. The first one is the stick net. This is a type of fishing in which fisherman buries the stick around the river attached with the stick net and net catches the fishes. The second one is the barrier net. This is the type of fishing in which fisherman buries bamboo sticks around the river. During the high tides, fisherman lifts the net and net catches the fishes. Cast net. This type of fishing usually takes place during the low tide. A fisherman spreads the net in water and then net catches the fishes. Gill net. This type of fishing usually takes during the high tide. In this, fisherman spreads the net water and net catches the big fishes. And the last one is luring. This is very common in Goa. This takes place in all areas in Goa, and in Konkani it is known as Gorowa.
Now let's see a small video on fishing.
ओ बाबा किती लागल नुसते आयजू
चड काय लागना आयज फकत बांगडे ताल्ले आनी वेल्ल्यो आहाय
कितें लागला तर ते दी आमकां आनी कितें करतली कितू जाले
एका 300 जाले हेजे 500 जाले
कितें घातला म्हाका तुवें
बांगडे आनी ताल्ले घातल्या
आं पळय म्हाका कितें
तू
घातला
वेल्ले घातला
कितें जाले
तुजे जाले 500
हे घे मातसो वयर काडपाक हातल्या आदी मय मातसो बाबा जालें मगे हय जालें सोड देव बरें करूं आगो तू जाणा ते कायदनार चेडो पळोन गेलो मुगो तो जाती बायले चेडू असले न्हू म्हणून पळोन गेलो यो बाय यो नुस्ती घे पळय बरे फ्रेश आसा नुस्तें पळय बांगडे मुगो 100 रुपया 5 200 रुपया घे घे बरे फ्रेश आसा बांगडे वाटो जाय मुगो 100 रुपया 5 गो 200 रुपया वाटो 200 रुपया गो बांगडे वाटो कितले कितले जाय एक पुरो मुगो एक वाटी घालची 100 रुपया 5 गो ओडेशी घे आमका परवडना ते आमका जायना ना गो आमका परवडतर नुसते काय लागो बी ना तेंचे पडले 150 पडले सदा घेता रामा मोठ घेता एक वाट घात मुगो बाय ओ आणि थोडे घाल ना गो बाय बरे गो मग तांदूळ रे गो 150 दी ना गो बाय दी गो आणि थोडे घाल 150 कसे देऊ बाय आमका परवडना पडो ते बरे दी बरे आणि बांगडे आगे बाशी पिशवी दी मी घे माका एक पिशवी उरली पडली लेपो बी ना गो लेपो बी मार्केटानी ना गो बाय यो नुसते आमके ताजे बांगडे आगो ते कशे येता ना दोन एक्स्ट्रा उडे रागो इंगे घालताय पय घे तू सदा येता नु माझ्याकडे म्हणून घे घे छाया घे 200 रुपया घे आगो ती नुसती घे गो आबी देव बरे करू हा बरे माशे सवाय करायते माझे नुसते सॉफ्ट गो आवडीता आता होयको आयते पटक आता तुझे बांगडे विलान वेल विलाय कोण येता आल्या पय मुगो आणि आऊ येता बरे कोण बरे कोण हा चल बरे हा फाले मेळया नुसती जाय गे बाय नुसती जाय नाका गे गो बाय घेतले मी गे सकाळी नुसती जाय गे
Now let's see about some difficulties faced by the fishermen. Earlier, people used to enjoy fishing from generation to generation. But now, due to modernization, the kids of fishermen doesn't like to take up the responsibility as they prefer going to abroad countries for better lifestyle or having white collar jobs. Also, now there are men who's taking up the jobs wherein they sell fish on vehicles rather than women going in around different vados on places as shown in the video. And also we hardly see any Goans selling fish as there are people coming from neighboring states taking up this job.
Dekni is a semi-classical Goan dance form that can be mainly be witnessed in the Indian state of Goa. In Konkani, the plural of Dekni remains the same. How Saiba Poltodi Veta is one of the most famous Dekni songs by Carlos Eugenio Ferreira that was initially published in Paris in 1895 and in Goa in the year 1926. The theme of the song is about two dancers who want themselves to be ferried across the river. The boatmen turn down their request and say that the river is rough and that he could not take the risk. But in the end, the girls dance their hearts out so as to lure the boatmen into ferrying them across. Whenever you get a chance of paying a visit to this majestic country, just have a look at this terrific dance form that will definitely thrill your heart with grace. In the end, it will not be wrong to say that if ever feel like colorless, just go for Dekni. So do ensure to witness this dance form of Dekni at least once in your entire lifetime.
Now let's see how Dekni is performed.
Makar Sankranti. This festival is dedicated to the sun god. This festival is considered to be extremely auspicious because it marks the first day of sun's transition into sun sign Capricorn or Makar in Marathi. The festival is also held as a festival of kites, marks the end of winter and announces the arrival of spring. It is one of the few ancient festivals that is observed as per the solar cycles once of the Hindu calendar. According to legends, it is believed that Sankranti, after whom the festival is named, was a deity who killed Sankasur. In India, it is considered to be date from when the sun begins to move north. Haldi Kumkum is social gathering in India in which married women exchange haldi and kumkum as a symbol of their married status and wishing for their husband long lives. On such occasions, the hostess distributes bangles, sweets, small novelties, flowers, bangles, betel leaves, and nuts as well as coconut. While giving tilgul, they say tilgul kya god god bola.
This is the scene where goddess Sankranti is killing Shankasur and then later she is recognized as Mahishasur Mardini. Flying kites is marking of Makar Sankranti festival, known in every state.
हॅलो भाभी आमगे फाल्यां इडिपूक येवचें आं हय तुजी दावेकूय घेवन यो बरें बरें हॅलो बरें बरें आमगेरूय बीन फाल्यां येवचें आं
आगे लाडू लायक
राव येता येता भितर आसता येता हय फाल्यां फाल्यां बरें हे चला गो उठा गो निवळ करपाक उठा उठा चला निवळ करा चला बेगीन करा
मागीर कशी फाटी पळय लूज जालें जाल्यार
लूज झाला मुली राव सायड करता झाली सायड कर झाली
हय जाली
यो यो बस
बरी
बस
मगे
तू बरं मुगे
हय
बस बस चल बाबा आला तुला आली गे पडली आलाय चांगली तुझ्या यो यो बस कशी आसा गट गट तू कशी आसा कशी आसा
आतां तूं वतली
हय वाटा मी
ताकी मा
स्वता मुगो
मागीर कशी फाटी पळय लूज जालें जाल्यार
लूज झाला मुली राव सायड करता झाली सायड कर झाली
हय जाली
यो यो बस
बरी
बस
मगे
तू बरं मुगे
हय
बस बस चल बाबा आला तुला आली गे पडली आलाय चांगली तुझ्या ए या यो बस कशी आसा आम्ही गट तुम्ही कशी आसा गट बसा बरी मगे
हय हय
तेंगा जाय सोमते कप जागा त्याच्या घ्या
बाय तेका लाडू दी हय दी
हांव पयलीं घेवन न्हू
बाय तेका लाडू दिले हय दिले
हय
आलाय का कसला
बाय पडटा बाय पडटा घे चा घे या बोली पण खाली
माहिती
बाय का सांगलो
नाम कितें दवरलां
श्रेया
बरें आसा न्हू तूं बरें मुगे
चा पी गे
पिया मुगो च्या पी ना जाके
तर असं
पडटा हा तुका धाकटी सायडीतल्यान तुझे हात ल्हान न्हू
कितले नंबर
3 नंबर दिला तेका
ही आमची नवी सून
पाय पडटा हा
नाही पडटा दादी बरी मगे रोबोटी नसान
आणि तुमचं ऑर्डर घेतल्यात
ते बाईक घेऊन
पहिली येता
पदर घेऊ सर अशें धर असं पदर
उलटो धरला
पदरान घे
चणे दी वेळेला आता चाबी दोन
बाईक बाबू असा बाबू पण
कोण आहे ना
कोण आहे ना
घे आडला तुम्ही
फर्स्ट टाइम आहे तुझे
तो चहा घ्या
तुमची भुरगी पावनात दिसता
कोरोना सुरू
तुका जाय
नाका नाका
चहा घ्या
खाले आणि एकदा खाया
होय नाका नाका
इल्ले चड ना
खाया बेस्टी नाका म्हणला
आता कोण आता
ना काय उडो ना घे
चल बरे
चल बरे देव बरे करू हा
दुसरे पाटी कोणत्या घेऊन या
बरे चल
चल